achieve festive nails just in time for the 4th of July. Begin by painting all of your nails white, except for your middle finger. Here we are using White On from Hansen Xtreme. Use red and blue polishes to create the fireworks. We're using Walk on Air from Essence and Maid of Honor from Unforgettable Moments. Use a toothpick and make a small dot. Use a stippling motion to make 4 to 6 curved lines extending from the dot. Fill in the white with red and blue dots. Do this on all of your nails except for your ring and middle finger. On your middle finger, paint on a royal blue. We're using Skin Tight Denim Creme from NYC. Once that is dried, take a dotting tool and make white dots all over the nail to represent the stars of the flag. Moving on to the ring finger. For the stripes, use a small paintbrush and paint on 4 to 5 red stripes. Now that you've completed this unique patriotic design on your nails, go ahead and brag about them.